Okay, let's look at using a Google Doc to create a question. So I'm in my Google Drive. I'm going to go click on New here and select Google Docs. I've got a blank doc and I'm going to do some really fast typing, and there it all is. Wow, wasn't that great? So I basically type into the document. I come up here and make sure I've got my title up here. If I want to change, for example, anything to make it like a heading or something like that, or a title, I could do that. I can certainly use either the style or the various font size to make changes. In this particular case, I've got an image of this individual that's part of this interview. So I'm going to put my cursor here and go up here to Insert Image. And I've already downloaded the image, and I'm just going to pop it in here like this. And if I decide that's kind of big, I can certainly make some changes in it, but I think we're going to make it a little smaller like this. Okay. And let's say that I wanted to add a hyperlink, because in this particular case this is kind of my source stuff here. So I go over to the spot where I got this interview. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm just going to highlight all this here, and I'm going to go up here to hyperlink, and actually it popped up in Google, so sometimes Google will do the search for you, and I go like this, I click apply. And that is pretty much it with that. Now in terms of the sharing, I'm going to go up here. You'll notice it's private only to me. I'm going to click on share, and I think the easiest setting is to just go to advanced, and instead of making it private, you can change it to public on the web and save it. And basically anyone on the web can view, but since this is a Google Doc, we want to change that and say we want them to edit, because actually your students might be typing directly into this doc, which is what I'm going to ask you to do. And when that's all done, if I go back to my drive, we'll see we've got Japanese internment in here as a shared version.